Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to fix no speaker output sound after connecting microphone in Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be connected a microphone with your Windows 11 PC or laptop. After connecting the microphone, you might be having issue that whenever you're trying to playing a music or whenever you're trying to join a video conference or whenever you're trying to playing a YouTube video, you're not hearing any sound. So now you are looking for how to fix this issue. I'm going to share with you a couple of ways how you can find out and fix this issue. First of all, you need to jump over in your Windows 11 taskbar in the right side. You're going to find a sound icon. Simply right click over on it and then you're going to find here open volume mixer. After click over open volume mixer, you're going to find here in the system section something say output device. Whenever you connected the microphone might be microphone detect that and it's say default output device, and after that whenever you try to playing a video or playing a music you might be not hearing any sound. So from here you need to choose the default sound which was working previously with your device. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I had total three output device, so you can try one by one. For example, first of all I try this, I just choose this one and then I try to play a music and let's see if I'm hearing the sounds or not. If it is not, you can go choose another one and then try to play the music and let's see are you hearing any output sound or not. So within this simple way you can fix or set your output device in your Windows 11. This is the first step. If it is not working, you need to same section, just you're going to find here something say reset sound device and volume for all apps to the recommended default. So just simply click here reset and then try to see is it working or not. If it is not working, let me share with you the second step. In your Windows 11 taskbar, again you need to jump over the same volume icon, right click over on it and then click here sound setting. After click over sound setting, you're going to see here something say output, and you can see my device has three output section. One is Dell, one is headphone, one is speaker. So you can easily choose any of them and then try to play the music and let's see is your output sound is playing or not. If it is not, you can choose the another one and then try to play music. Let's see is your sound you are hearing any sound or not, and then you can easily fix this. If it is not working, let me share it to another way. You need to just same section scroll down and then you're going to find here something say troubleshoot common sound problem. Simply click here output device and then you're going to see a Windows 11 troubleshoot run going to appear. Here you can click here may I run a quick scan to try find the solution. We're going to click here yes, and then Windows 11 going to run a troubleshoot and it's going to trying to fix the issue output device. So it's taking little time to scanning or trying to quick fixing the sound issue. If it is maybe some cases it might be fixed. So when it is fixed you're going to hear a beep. So now when it's done, you can say, did you hear the sound beep that just played? If you hear, you can click here. Yes, obviously I had here. If it is not, if you didn't hear, you can click here. No, but I hear the sound, so I click here. Yes. Also, they say, do you want to try it? Yes, I don't want to try now. I'm just closing that. So this is the another way you can fix your output device sound in your Windows 11. If it is not working, you're going to go in the same section. You're going to find there's something, say more sound setting. Simply open that and then you're going to see a new tab open. Here, let me minimize this and then let me stay in this tab. Here you can see we're currently in the playback device. Here we have three playback device. You can easily playing music through these three playback device. So first of for example, I choose this and I made here set as default and then try to play a video or try to play music and then let's see is it working or not. If it is not, you can choose the another playback device and click here set as default and then try to play another video or audio and let's see are you hearing any sound or not. If it is not, you can choose another one and click here set as default and then see is it working or not. Hopefully it's going to be work. If it is not work, I'm going to share it to the last step. We're going to update the output driver in our Windows 11 PC. So for that, you need to jump over in your Windows 11 PC, this PC, and then right click over on it and then click here manage. After click over manage, you're going to find here something say device manager. After click over device manager on the right side, you're going to find here something say audio input and output. Just extend it and then you're going to find here all your audio output device. This is the audio output device and this is the microphone. So you need to choose any audio output device. For example, I want to update this speaker driver. So right click over on it and then click here update driver. After click over update driver, click here search automatically for driver and then see is it working or not. If it is not working, you need to go again here this update driver and then choose here browse my computer for drivers and then click here let me pick from a list available drivers on my computer and choose there. We're going to see two model you can choose. First of this audio and point, click here next and then after finishing the update you can try to play the music. If it is not working, go again choose this another one and click here next after update and then try to see is it working or not. So hopefully within all this step you can easily fix your Windows 11 output issue. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.